Nick Rudder from McKee's37.com. You know, besides car care chemicals, we offer a wide range of microfiber towels, buffers, pads, brushes, detailing carts, and one of my favorites, our professional 5-gallon wash bucket combo. Come in and take a look at this. So not all wash buckets are created equal. Our bucket is thick, it's going to last a long time, it's professional grade construction, and it has this awesome Gamma Seal lid, which you can see there. There's an O-ring, and the Gamma Seal lid allows you to store all your supplies inside the bucket when you're finished for the day. You simply screw it on, and you can also stack your buckets because most of us have more than one bucket. So you got the Gamma Seal lid, and then most importantly, you have the grit guard insert. In the grit guard insert, this fits at the bottom of the bucket. It has these fins here, with the idea being that after you wash a panel with your wash mitt, you dunk it back in your soapy solution and you agitate the wash mitt on the grit guard insert. The dirt is released through these veins, and then these fins trap the water from swirling, or trap the dirt in the water from swirling back up into your wash solution. So the idea is to help prevent wash-induced swirl marks. So that's our professional 5-gallon wash bucket system. And the way I use it is with our Carolina detailing cart. The bucket fits perfectly right inside the hole. We sell this with the cutout and without the cutout. This cart, if you look at me, I'm average height, about 5'8". It's the perfect height, so I'm not bending over and I'm not reaching up. So I can take my wash mitt with my grit guard insert in it, of course. And as you're working your way around the car, the idea is that you're not bending over constantly. Dunk the wash mitt, boom, I'm ready to wash another panel. And there's tons of room for all your stuff. We have a bottle holder that holds your bottles. You have 3 shelves, so you can have your brushes and everything that you reach for frequently when you detail your vehicle. It's within easy reach. Now, if you don't have a Carolina detailing cart, and maybe it's not your thing, you just like to have the bucket on the ground because you like to bend over, or even for your wheel and tire bucket, we have this nifty guy called the Buccaneer, and this attaches to the side of any bucket ranging from 3.5 to 7 gallons. And if you have the Gamma Seal lid, which we sell ours with exclusively, it attaches on there nice and firm. You can come in and get a peek at that. So it hooks on, and what you do with the Buccaneer is, especially for like wheels and tires, when you're sitting on the ground, you're washing your wheels and tires, you've got your easy detail brushes. Instead of sticking them back in the water, you can put them right here. And then also your roadkill bug scrubbers, those will fit in there. Or if you're just doing a conventional wash, you're washing the body, you don't have a cart, hey, your wash mitt right there, boom, you have a place to put it. And they thought of everything with the Buccaneer. It even has holes at the bottom, so if you put like a soapy wash mitt, it's going to drain out the holes. So that's really neat. But that's a quick look at the McKee's 37 professional 5-gallon wash bucket, our Carolina detailing cart, and the Buccaneer. Like I said, not all buckets are created equal. So you wash your car, which we all do, you get something high quality like this bucket with the grit guard insert and the Gamma Seal lid. It's going to last you a long time, and has a nice handle so you can take it from place to place. And if you live in an apartment, or if you live at somewhere where you can't have access to a garden hose, you can fill this up in your bathtub. I know that sounds funny. Fill this up in your bathtub, put the lid on, and then you can go wash the car somewhere. You know, you can transport it with you, maybe do a mobile detail or detail a friend's car at their apartment, that sort of thing. So check it out, McKee's37.com. I'm Nick Rudder. Thank you so much for the support. Bye-bye.